Friends, hello, congratulations on a terrific day, a record-breaking day as of late for PLTR, Palantir Technologies. Man, what a good day. It feels good to be right sometimes, and we have been right so far. Friends, do me a favor and please subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to break my own record and get the channel up to above 10,000 followers. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Today, Palantir broke another record, hitting a 53 week high. So obviously, you know, some of you may know, I just made a video about Palantir where I was like, within 2 weeks right now, we could see Palantir at $30. Why am I saying we could see it at $30? Possibly see it at $30 because we're gonna start to see a bigger run on Palantir. You know, all these stock analysts, these companies, these people much more known about than me, everyone keeps raising their price on Palantir and how soon it's gonna meet, you know, X number. And we have quarterlies coming out here. So quarterlies, we know quarterlies have to deliver. I mean, they just have to, with all these new deals and everything that's come out. And I would not be surprised to see people be really surprised with Palantir coming out with even more news of deals we don't even know about, because Palantir made a comment last month, maybe 2 months now, but you know, talking about they've taken on so many new customers, and you know, big customers, medium customers, and then of course the big ones that we know about. But I think we're about to see a balance sheet and earnings that we have not seen of yet with Palantir. So this could be historical quarterlies. We're hoping. Obviously, you know, nothing's guaranteed, but you know, that's what we're depending on here. So Palantir and SoFi, these are the two main big dogs that everyone is watching right now. We are expecting amazing earnings on both these companies. SoFi has really not even leveled into something that it could possibly high number level itself into, maybe until September, with all the student payments coming back, student loan payments. So obviously I'm not going to go into that because I'm not talking about SoFi, but you know, I've made videos on that and there's plenty of people talking about that. It's pretty known about at this point. But Palantir has its big day coming here with earnings, and that's, man, this is going to be the cherry on top. I really think so. So here's some bullet points that we all need to remember with Palantir. Obviously, I think the long-term investment plan on Palantir is going to be the safest and most lucrative with this company right now. By the end of the year, this is a company that is going to be at X number. I mean, we don't know. There's still plenty of time in the year for Palantir to get a new big contract. There's still plenty of time for that. And as of late, Palantir recently acquired about 6 million more shares of Rubicon Technologies, bringing its stake in the firm to 6.2%. Palantir's purchase of the share appears to have been acquired by a deal that the company signed with Rubicon last year. So obviously, you know, Palantir is investing money. This is just a company right now that is in a really good cash flow situation. I mean, so Palantir is in this really fun place right now where, you know, I'm not going to bring out a candlestick chart or something like that and be like, well, if we hit this new level, we're going to move to here, and then, you know, with a little more volume, that's going to bust into this new level. Right now, Palantir is just going off. It's just people are, you know, buying, selling. You've got your traders that are in or out. God bless them. They're making volume. They're doing what they're supposed to be doing, trading hands. Then, you know, you've got people like me who are the long-term investors who are like, I'm just letting this bad boy ride. I don't care whatever's cut. You know, I'm in this for the long run. I'm waiting to see about, you know, a stock split in the future. I'm waiting to see about something about the S&P. You know what I mean. And today, Palantir is almost at $18. And just 2 weeks ago, the bears were coming after it and saying it's going back to $13. God almighty, God bless them. They're just making fools of themselves. So right now, friends, we've got Palantir, who we know with everything that we've seen so far, something would have to be wrong. We'd have to be talking about fraud if the numbers were not lining up here in August. We're not expecting things to go bad at this point. I mean, it's really, that's why you're seeing such volume, such buy-in, and if this continues, will tomorrow bring the same volume? I don't know, but going off my old preaching with videos that I've been making, I don't want to lie to you and lie to myself that this could be the start of Palantir really moving up. We could have tomorrow we could just hit a 1650 for a low and play around this high 16 or low 17. By the end of the week, maybe we could be at 18, maybe we could be at 19, maybe we could break over that 20. I really think if we break over the $20 threshold, then that is just going to be like the balls out of the court. Because you have to remember, just 2 weeks ago, people were saying, well, it's probably going to be a few months before we see $20. Well, Palantir is not following the market right now. You have to understand that. It's its own thing right now. It's got its own elements going after. It's doing what it's doing, what it wants to do. Even when we've seen the market down, Palantir takes off. It's just not following the market, which is great. It's fantastic. Now, obviously, today was a huge day in the overall market. The Dow, S&P, NASDAQ, Apple, Tesla, Nvidia, Amazon, everything was just going off. I mean, just crazy day for tech and all that kind of stuff. And Palantir was right in the mix of that. So tomorrow we could see a little bit of a sell-off, probably. I wouldn't be surprised to see this sell off some. But this could be, like I said 2 weeks ago, I said, listen, this might be the last time we see 14. This might be the last time we see 15. And we may be in that situation right now where we're getting close to seeing the end of 16. We may not see $16 here much longer with Palantir. The 17 might be the new low, and 19, 20 might be the new high, just for a moment in time here. So friends, listen, I don't really have a lot of new news. I mean, I've preached, I've talked, I've done everything I can talk about with Palantir. I'm not telling you to buy Palantir. Do your own due diligence, look it up, look into what the company's doing, look at the numbers. You can look everything up. It's all on there. Everyone's got videos about Palantir. I'm just a guy yapping about what I'm doing. And I love investing, and I love investing when it just goes the right way. Obviously, no one wants to lose money. We want to make money, and that is what is happening right now with Palantir. So friends, I wish you all the best of luck, and I will talk to you soon. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.